G'day viewers, well I just used some of this contact adhesive Neoprene Cement for these speakers around the suspension, and it's actually worked quite well. It absorbed into the cone and it's actually stuck it all together. So yeah, it's actually worked quite well. Yet to fix this hole up, but I'm going to give this thing a test. I did the same with this one too, along all those cracks. It's still a little bit sticky, but it's getting dry. See here, I got a big crack tore all the way along there, and that neoprene cement's formed a web, a film, and it's just, yeah, dried up and held the cone together. Same with there, that's actually worked pretty good. I still yet to fix this bit here. After I might get the wet it a bit with what I was doing before with the glue on the water, soak it, get that to sit down, and I'll spray the contact adhesive on that, and that should help it. So yeah, if I get this thing plugged in, it will give this thing a little test and see if it rattles or not. It's done good so far though. Doesn't look pretty, but yeah, we'll see how it sounds. Okay, viewers, let's give it a test. I'll just carefully turn the volume up.
Castle for the kids. Bring the truck, bring the trailer and drive home a bargain. Harvey Norman's massive car park sale, Saturday and Sunday only. Be there.
It's rattling right there, so that has to be glued down properly, so I'll have to spray a little bit more on that.
Maintaining and repairing all makes and models. Their factory-trained technicians have over 150 years combined experience in all aspects of vehicle repairs.
Hold it with your finger. I'll let that dry now. I'll turn the volume down. But yeah, all around here it seems to be holding quite nicely to the base. So yeah, once that dries, it should, yeah, actually over here too it might have been rattling as well, so let's spray a little bit more on there. Rub it in, that will help take care of what a rattling. But it does work okay. Well, let that dry before I put any more power through that, so I'll set that aside and we'll try this one. Okay, viewers, so
We'll deliver about 1,600 kilometres of driving a month for free and with absolutely no emissions whatsoever. And sticking with electric cars, there certainly has been some justified criticism, and that really, if you're using coal to generate the electricity, well, they definitely aren't emissions free, are they? But Volkswagen has announced a new single-seater car which they claim is 100% emissions free. VW so they'll give customers the option to buy power from a fully renewable source, such as hydropower plants. Now that's a bit of a different angle. And our resident
the suspension is actually held together quite nicely. It's one of the good bits of spray.
For a ride and only managed to get about 30 metres before crashing into a car. Steve has this advice to riders on how to avoid such an incident. We all get used to how the motorcycle responds and how it feels while we're riding it. Hopping onto a different bike can rattle us to the point of being extremely dangerous. Now take some extra time to get used to things like where the clutch take-up point is. That's the lever position where the clutch starts to engage. Also expect the bike's throttle response and handling to be unfamiliar as well. Being a little cautious might just save you from...
This is the cassette player has stereo. So right, this wires up. One speaker has a low frequency, this has a high frequency.
Find it on iTunes, just search for Behind the Wheel.
So it's got two positives, one for each channel from the cassette deck. One's a common for AM, just like the radio, and negatives are common for both speakers in general and both inputs. Even with these both wired up to this, one speaker will have the high range and this will have the low frequencies. But yeah, I think the speaker couldn't be too far gone with it. So judging by the sound of that rattle, I think the voice calls started to fall apart, unfortunately. But might as well do a DX.
Everyone ended up getting himself.
Yeah.
And make sure. To 5, have to give.
Yeah, that rattling rattling is a bit worrying, but I'll say I keep fixing this little patch up. I might be just, yeah, something on the cone hopefully, but I don't know. I'll give it a, another chance with this stuff. We'll see how it comes up. So yeah, I'll see if I can patch this hole here up. Okay viewers, further investigation. This cable, suspension cable here from the terminal junction that goes into the cone that connects to the voice coil, well here where it comes on the cone, the glue is actually broken down, and that flexible cable there is rattling freely, so it's not the voice coil, so a bit of this will fix that. Oops, set it in there like that. So yeah, work that in with my finger. I'll do this off camera because it's a delicate process. Okay viewers, that's what I've done so far. Fold it a bit over the top. I let that dry, and once the paper sticks in, and I'll smear a bit over the gaps here, like that, and that'll yeah, that'll form in place, and I'll fold the other half down and stick that down. That should do it. So yeah, thanks for watching.